Okay guys, I have an issue with my brother's PS5 disc edition. It won't read the disc anymore, so let me show you exactly what is happening and let me show you the sounds it does. So first time I turn on the PS5, everything seems to be fine. So I insert the disc, any disc. It happens with all discs, all games, either PS5. Okay, listen. That's the sound. Oh, no. It made another click. And it will never read the game. Now, when I press the eject button to go out, it doesn't do only one beep. It does two beeps. So let me show you. You see, beep beep beep. And now, when I try to insert the disc back, it will not go in. You see. So I have to either restart the console or push it with force. I can do it with force. Yeah, I'm getting those two sounds every time, and there's no reading game, nothing. So let me tell you exactly how this happened. It happened day one, the first day my brother got the PS5. We installed only like 3 or 4 games, and then when inserted a game to test it, to see if it plays, I was getting the same issue. How I fixed it? Same day, first day, we did a hard reset, so we deleted everything, we reinstalled the firmware, and it worked. Now, after 1 month, it happened again, and I don't know how my brother fixed it. He told me something like he did a firmware update and it fixed, or something like that, or turned off and turned on the PS5, something easy, and it was fixed. Now we have done everything again, hard reset, normal update, everything, and it's not working at all. So I don't know what it is. So maybe we have to yeah, we have to somehow insert unplug the PS5 and open it up to check the disk drive. Maybe there's a troubleshooting or something. Maybe it's a disk drive or a bug that appears every time. I don't know, man. So it's only like 3 months or 2 months. I don't know. Happens every time. So guys, if you have any easy fix, leave a comment. I have tried everything. Hard reset does not work. Update does not work anymore. It worked the first day. Now it's there. Just there. And let me turn it off. I'm gonna turn it off and show it to you. Turn off. When you turn it off, it will allow you to insert the disc back without any force. Okay, so I'm gonna activate it again. So if you have any ideas, anything that can help, or if you have the same issue, let me know. If there's a troubleshooting how to fix it, or I have to take it back with a guarantee. It does have the guarantee, so it's fine. Okay, let me log in. Let me go back. And here we are. Okay, back in the main menu. Now it's okay, but it will not read it, you see. There's no sign up there to the right. You see, for some reason it does 2 clicks and it will not read the disk. I don't know. So for some reason it doesn't grab the disk to read it, or for some reason, I don't know, it cannot read it. The disk is fine, it's clear, and you see now, eject it. You get 2 beep beep quicks, and then you see, it will not grab it back. You have to push it with force, or either restart the console. And again. That's it. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. It's really annoying, unfortunately. As I said, man, it's happening since day one. We fixed it with hard reset. We only installed like 3-4 games. We fixed it with hard reset. Then after 1 month, actually no, my brother was playing the God of War, the digital edition. It has the digital edition. So when he finished it, he started Assassin's Creed Unity with a disc. You need the disc to play the game, as it says. The same goes with Ragnarok. Anyways, you see, you try to play the game. If you start to play the game, it says you need the disc. So he played like 5 times Assassin's Creed Unity, and then it died. That is that. It died again. He fixed it the same day with an easy fix, like reset the power or something like that. He did an update. Actually, the next firmware update. So what I have noticed is actually that it works with the next firmware update. So it's either we have to wait for the next firmware update, which is annoying. Maybe it comes out tomorrow, maybe in 10 days, maybe in 2 months, who knows. So I don't know, man. The next step is just to open the disk drive and see if we can do anything. We can maybe touch any screws or something, or maybe it's just fully broken and we have to take it back to the store. Anyways, guys, if you have any solution, any fix, let me know in the comments. Even if I have tried it, even if something really easy to do, let me know. You never know. It's gonna be really helpful. So thank you very much, guys. Yeah, can't wait for your replies. Thank you very much, guys.